Hi guys, here's another video. I've got this Lakeland 2-in-1 coffee pod machine with an issue. This is the water tank on the back here, the refill tank. Just put a bit of water in there. Okay, and I'll show you what the issue is. When you press this button for water, no water lands in the cup, but as you can see by the arrow on the side there, it's leaking at the bottom. I'll just lift the machine up and show you. That's what it does. Nothing goes into the cup at all. So we're going to have a look at that today. So first and foremost, remove the plug from the socket, and then we're just going to dismantle the unit. It's just 4 screws really hold this in place. There's 4 screws on the back. I'm just undoing them now, lively. Okay, so just a matter of lifting this top cover off, the back cover off, sorry, out of the way. You can see the gubbins inside there, and it's just a matter of popping the rest of the covers off. There's no more screws, they just slide off or pop off. Here you can see me just take the side panels off. And now that I've got them off, I'm just going to pop them into this bucket of bleach, give them a good wash. Let's leave them there for a minute. Okay, going back to the machine. And I can see a problem straight away, just show you the inside. There's not much inside of these. I can see a problem straight away. This pipe here, it's dislodged from somewhere, and it's got a plastic nylon tie. Now this pipe gets hot, so the nylon tie will be ineffective because it'll stretch, hence why the pipe is dislodged. So I'm going to have to replace that today. And if I just go around the side here, I'll show you where it's come off of. Let me just circle that for you. It's come off of this pipe here, because there's a lot of heat up here, like I said before. Just use a screwdriver to highlight that for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just put a power switch back on and plug it in, just to show you. And I'll switch it on here, and you can see I've not even pressed the power button yet, the water button, but just it's got a little tank that warms water up, and you can see it's just boiling there, just bubbling out. Just confirmation. So that black nylon tie will need to replace once the pipe's fitted. So I've managed to get this bit of wire made it into like a spring type, and I'll just put it over the pipe, and I'll just put the pipe in place there, you can see. And then I'm just going to use this pair of pliers just to tighten the wire up. Like I said, the nylon tie wouldn't sustain the heat, that's why it's come away. As you can see here, this is a metal wire. Just get a close up there, so that should be sufficient. Okay, just give it a test. I'll switch the machine on. I'm just going to press the water button, and you can hear the machine doing its thing. And now you can see there's water landing in the extra cup this time. So that's a successful repair. So all I've got to do now that I'm happy with that, nice and hot, the panels, I've got them nice and dry now, nice and clean and dry. Here they are. So it's just a matter of refitting them and putting the machine back together. And I'll do that lively. that's the machine reassembled. Okay, I'm happy with that. So now I'm going to do a bit of maintenance. Just going to use this descaler to descale the tank inside the boiler. So it's just a matter of pouring the sachet in and just give it a little mix. I've got the tank half full with water and I've just poured some descaler in it. And I just turn it around. I'm just going to run the water through it with the descaler. Just press start there without any of the attachments. And as you can see there, the descaler is running through the machine, cleaning the inside, the tank inside. I'm just going to repeat this process till the tank is empty. So here you can see me repeating it, and I'll give you a tank view. You see there, the water's going down with the descaling solution. So I'm just going to repeat that a few times. And when it's empty, then I'm going to repeat it with the full tank just to flush the system out. You'll know when you clear the descaler when it runs clear like this. Okay, just going to give it a test. I've bought some coffee pods. Just fits in the top here. And then this unit just slots into the top of the machine, like so. Just press start. See there, percolating the coffee nice. Let's get a little close up, and that seems to be working fine. So I'll just give that a try, see what it tastes like. Yeah, quite nice. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.